Welcome to Hncker. Let's hack. What if one command could reveal someone's location, phone carrier, and social media profiles? What if all you needed was a phone number or username? GhostTrack, an open-source OSINT tool that tracks phone numbers, IP addresses, and usernames across the internet. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. GhostTrack is like a digital detective. Give it a phone number, and it tells you the carrier, location, and type. Give it an IP address, and it reveals the country, city, and ISP. Give it a username, and it hunts across social media platforms to find matching profiles. It's built for OSINT, open-source intelligence gathering, and it's completely free. Before we start, this video is for educational purposes only. Using OSINT tools to stalk, harass, or track people without consent is illegal. Always use these tools ethically for security research, penetration testing with authorization, or investigating your own digital footprint. Step 1. Installation. Open your terminal and type git clone https://github.com/hunksbyts/ghosttrack.git. Then cd into GhostTrack and type pip3 install-our requirements.txt. This installs all the dependencies. The tool is Python-based, so you need Python 3 installed. Step 2. Launch GhostTrack. Type python 3 ghosttr.py to start the tool. You'll see a menu with 3 options. Option 1 is tracked by phone number. Option 2 is tracked by IP address. Option 3 is tracked by username. Each option uses different OSINT databases to gather information. Step 3. Track a phone number. Select option 1 and enter any phone number with country code. GhostTrack queries public databases to find the carrier name, the line type, whether it's mobile or landline, and the general location. It uses the Number Verify API to validate and look up phone metadata. Step 4. Track an IP address. Select option 2 and enter any public IP address. GhostTrack uses IP geolocation services to reveal the country, city, region, ISP, and even the time zone. This is useful for identifying where a server is hosted or where an attack originated from. Step 5. Track a username. Select option 3 and enter any username. GhostTrack searches across multiple social media platforms to find matching profiles. It checks platforms like Instagram, Twitter, GitHub, TikTok, and many more. This is how OSINT researchers build a digital profile of a target. Step 6. Combine your findings. The real power of OSINT is combining data. Track a phone number to get a name. Use that name as a username search. Find their social media. Cross-reference the IP from their posts. Each piece of data leads to more data. This is how security researchers map an attack surface. Defense. Limit what you share online. Use different usernames for different platforms. Don't post your phone number publicly. Use a VPN to hide your real IP address. Regularly search for your own username and phone number to see what's exposed. And enable privacy settings on all your social media accounts. GhostTrack is just the beginning of OSINT. If you want to learn more ethical hacking techniques, subscribe to Hncker and hit the bell. Comment below what tool you want us to cover next. Stay ethical, stay curious.